Now, ato po na sa aming tutuluyan, um, tapos na po ang kamino. 6 na araw, 117 kilometers, ulan, malakas na ulan, hangin, lamig, init, halo-halo po. Taas, baba, putik, bato, madulas, halo-halo po talaga. Magpapasalamat ako number one sa Panginoon. His message is getting clearer sa akin ngayon. I've been struggling with some concerns about my health for years already, and even itong pagsama ko, I had a lot of doubts, and maybe the Lord is telling me, you need not to worry. Maybe the Lord is telling me I'm in control. No, I'm looking after you. I will take care of you. Marahan sinasabi ng Panginoon sa akin. And to be able to finish this is, far from what I expected, kasi ako sumama ako. Pero, to tell you honestly, hindi talaga ganoon ang confidence ko, because I'm carrying a lot of baggages na sa akin, and that is about concern ko sa health ko, especially that this year, first quarter of this year, I was hospitalized. That made a mark sa akin that somehow affected a little my confidence about my health. So, but lahat ng iyan, because of this Camino, God, really, I cannot, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi ito. Every day, every morning, meron laging bagay na nararamdaman ako that would make me feel I'm not fitted to start the day, to join the Camino. But every time na mag-uumaga na at magbe-breakfast na, biglang parang gumaganda ng kaunti ang pakiramdam ko, and eventually nakaka-join ako. 6 days. Wow, 6 days. Alam ko, I'm just open, every day I'm open up to the possibility na makakasama. Kaya sabi ko, Camino is not just about 6 days or 30 days. It's about every day. Camino is about every day na you are always hanging on God's mercy, na kung ikaw ay makakalakad o hindi. And that is very much true sa akin. I took the Camino one day at a time, as much as I took one step at a time sa bawat ruta, sa bawat leg na aming pupuntahan, na aming sisimulan. Well, a lot of reflections, but for now, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon. Finally, hindi pa ako nakakapag-BS. Narito na kami, papahinga na. Bukas babalik kami sa Basilica ni St. James. Lumimisa si Eminence doon. Papasalamat kami lahat. I thank the Lord for those moments, hours, walking alone, reflecting, praying. I cannot forget that. Very unique po yan. Lots of insights to share, but for now, pagpapasalamat sa Panginoon. This is the end. You can say na right now, this is the end of the Camino lang de Santiago. Yung experience of walking. Thank you, Lord. Na-sustain mo po ako. Minabuti po at pinili niya na makapaglakad ako every day for 6 days. And we were all safe. So yun na muna po. At I prayed for all of you, that I made sure na gagawin ko. And Buen Camino. God bless you.